What's up, everyone? Brian, Sparky's Model Salvage. I figured I'd do a quick video before, the nagging wife gets home. Got some stuff that I picked up. I can't remember. I think it was at Custom Kemp's. I went to that show meeting, whatever that was. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm apparently in that club. I don't know. I signed up for it a long time ago, and I don't remember. I don't remember what I did yesterday, okay? I know it only happens to you old people, but that's happening to me, and I'm 46. Anyways, got some things here that I wanted to show you because I might have a few days off this week because of the weather. And I want you to pick what I should build. I want a one-day build. I'm tired of doing these like part things, like, oh, this is my progress on this one today. Oh, this is what I'm going to do today. Oh, I did this today. Oh, I took this. I want to do one completely front to back, beginning to end in like one day like I normally do in the winter, So let me show you this stuff. Okay, well, here's the first one. I don't know. What? I do know that car. What is that? I don't recognize the front end, though. Okay, well, there's option one, okay? Take it apart, do my thing, one-day build, okay? So, yeah. Cheers. Looks like it's all there. Might be missing a... No, I'm not missing a... I am missing a bumper. Oh, well. Anyways, there's option one. Option two. Yeah. We all know what that is. It's a Charger. Nice black paint. Those are not the right rims for that. Those can't be. I don't remember. I mean, I'm a classic car guy, but like I don't know Mopars, but those do not look right. If I was to do this, it would be different rims. I feel like I just snapped something. Look at that. It wants to come apart. Okay. Has a nice vinyl top on it. This should be easy to take apart. Okay, so yeah. I could mess this thing up pretty quick. So here's option number two. Oh, those rims are ugly. Look at that crap. Who put those on? That does not... If those actually go on that car, drop it in the comments. Because... Oh, man, that looks... I don't know. That to me just looks dumb. I'd put other rims on that thing. So let me know on that one. That's option two. Here's option three. GTO. I don't know what year this is. I want to say it's like 60 something. 68. 69. I don't know. This ain't my specialty, okay? Seems to be all there. Hate that color. It's like a diarrhea orange. Ugh. That's option number three. Diarrhea orange GTO. There's the next one. 63 Impala. Everything's there. Except for a seat. Why is there not a seat in there? That's already coming apart. Yeah, boy. That'd be pretty easy to do. And there's no firewall. Well, that would be a hood closed. Looks like there's a blue stripe on there. There is a blue stripe on there, isn't there? Yep, there is. Okay. Option number 4. 63. Two-tone. Yeah. Okay. I know what that is, but I can't think of it. Is that a Charger? Yeah, that's a Charger. Okay. So that's a Charger. Other rim is in there. See, it's already apart. Yeah. I don't know. Whatever. Why would you not paint the... God, whatever. Anyways. Option number 5. The Irish green Charger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one's actually pretty cool. I like this one. I know I got a couple of these kits. Haven't done them. But, yeah. Everything seems to be there. What is this thing, though? Is that Belvedere? I don't know. Wait, it says it on the hood. It's Chrysler. Chrysler 300. I would assume. I think so. This has some like matte paint on it. Interior actually looks pretty decent in there. Probably better than what I could do. They actually don't look like too bad of a car, to be honest. But, you know, I'll mess it up if you want me to. So, yeah, what did I say that was? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's option number 6. The Chrysler. I think it's a 300. So that was those. Okay. Tell me which one to build. Put it in the comments. And my next day off here, I am going to do that one-day build. At least that's what I'm hoping for. As long as the nagging wife doesn't, you know. She's working the days that I'm probably going to be off. So I should be safe. I hope. Let me know which one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Okay? I know. I do things different on this channel, okay? But I got like 3,300 subscribers or something like that. So that's why you guys like me, I guess. Why do you like me? Just because of this. Probably not. See ya. If you made it this far, it's time to go vote. Come on.